The perfect cup of coffee sets the mood for the rest of our day. And we found capsule coffee machines the quickest way to get results. But we still had problems. Capsules were expensive, limited in choice, and terrible for the environment. That's how we came up with Capsulier, the perfect accessory to our capsule coffee machine. The Capsulier is simple to use. Pop in the ground beans, place the cap in position, and press the lever. You'll have an Nespresso-compatible capsule ready in seconds. It's remarkably consistent, so you enjoy a flawless cup of coffee every single time. Choose the freshest ground beans in each capsule. Or create your own custom blend. Once you're set up, the capsules come in at a little over 10 cents each. That's 7 times savings compared to a lifetime of Nespresso capsules. Capsulier capsules are stainless steel and reusable, which means they won't end up in the landfill. Pair the Capsulier with an Nespresso machine and enjoy a delicious, refreshing cup every single time. Share your recipes with family, friends, and our community of fellow baristas. Support and help us realize our vision for convenient, eco-friendly, pod-based coffee.